Hidden moisture damage after winter moves. What hidden moisture could be lurking in your new home? Many homeowners focus on unpacking and organizing but forget one crucial step: the spring home inspection after moving. Without it, small damp areas can quietly turn into mold growth, warped flooring, or structural deterioration. Why winter moves increase moisture risks in Florida? Unlike summer moves, winter relocations often involve more enclosed spaces and less ventilation. That combination increases condensation damage during winter move scenarios. Professional protection versus DIY protection. What works best? DIY methods may be sufficient for short, dry relocations without storage. However, if your move involves rain exposure, humidity, or storage, professional moisture protection significantly reduces risk. How Best Miami Movers minimizes moisture risks. Unlike generic moving services, our moving company moisture protection methods are adapted specifically for Florida conditions. This makes a measurable difference in reducing mold claims and post-move damage issues. A winter relocation doesn't have to lead to hidden problems. By conducting a thorough spring home inspection after moving, monitoring high-risk areas, and choosing a professional team like Best Miami Movers winter relocation specialists, you protect not just your belongings, but your health and home value. Get more tips and free moving quote in our website bestpricemovingquotes.com.